Good day guys, welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to debug and fix failed Zaps in Zapier. So just log in into the dashboard and then head to the left sidebar menu layout and click on Zap History right here. Then switch your view layout from the default folder view over to the Zap Runs tab panel right over here. And filter the global status selector drop down strictly to failed. You can just type this in. And this will instantly isolate your crashed operations. And then you can just click directly into the broken execution run block. The interface will highlight the exact action block that errored out in hard red. Expand that block container to inspect the raw server code message, which typically flags an expired authorization token or incomplete data payload. And then, now that the technical bottleneck is identified, you can just apply the structural patch and process the backlogged data. Then you just click Edit Zap. Then if the log reads expired authentication, you just head to your apps account page, locate the service connection, and then click Reconnect. If the crash was triggered by an empty field string, you can update your action field mapping configurations to ensure vital database columns aren't left entirely vacant. And then for that certain Zap, just click Confirm the changes and then replay the run. And the exact second your re-engineered payload passes the server validation test, Zapier will process the backlogged items and push it fluidly down your software stack. That is it. Don't forget Zap History and then fix from here. Enjoy the guide as always. Like and subscribe as well.